In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a supplement company without doing any of the work. But before we get started on this channel, I make short, concise videos that show and tell you what you need to know quickly and easily and without any fluff. So if you could please take a moment to go below this video and hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications, it would really help me out. So thanks very much for that. And with that said, let's get started. So if you were to go out yourself and try and create a supplement company from scratch, an actual supplement, you would have to get the FDA approval, you would have to source the ingredients and all of that kind of stuff. But there is a much easier way. It's basically like private labeling other people's supplements for them. They private label it for you, and then they're able to drop ship that for you. So it costs probably a little bit more in the long run than if you were to source your own ingredients, source your own product, source your own FDA approval, but it's a lot easier. So for me, I think it's a much better method for creating a supplement company initially at the start to make sure that you can actually get those sales and make a good return on your investment. But then maybe down the line you can do your FDA approval and source everything yourself. But for the start, I recommend you private label someone else's product and they drop ship it for you. There's two websites that I recommend that you can go and get this done for you. The first one is called Suplifil. It's Supliful. And the next one there is called Ship Offers. From what I'm told, Ship Offers is actually better. You'll have to do a quick call with them and they'll tell you if they're okay with working with you. They'll tell you the pricing and all that kind of stuff. So those are the two ways to quickly and easily create a supplement company, a private label supplement company, without doing any of the work yourself. And like I said, down the line you can then think about sourcing the ingredients yourself and sourcing the product yourself. But at the start, I highly recommend you just private label and drop ship. That's it for this video, guys. If you have a moment, please hit the subscribe button below this video. It would really help me out, and I'll see you inside the next video.